Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install this wig 2 different ways and how to get it to blend so perfectly, so seamlessly, and have your V-part looking real natural so you can just get up, put your wig, and pop out. Before we get started with the video, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos, and of course leave a like if you like these type of videos, and comment below if you have any other questions that I may not have addressed in the video. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a V-part wig. Okay, let me show you guys the wig, and then let me show you guys the box. You know what? Let me show you guys the box that it came in. So this is just a brief of what is in the box. This is the box. It has, you know, scarf, robe, and some extra goodies, you know, the cap, and some clips, some lashes. And this is like an adjustable band type of thing, but I don't think I necessarily need this, obviously, because it's a V-part wig, and it is none other than Unice hair. I love this red box. It's so pretty, it's so classy looking. I just really love it. I've been wearing this wig for a month now, a good month. This is how the wig looks like. The inside has 3 combs. Those are the 3 combs. And then it has about 5 clips on the inside to clip the hair when you apply it onto your, like, your head or whatever you want to do. And then this is up close of the V. So if you look really close, you can see the material on the V. It's literally a V, like a V part. And it also has like a lace type of material, like right here, if you can see it. And I believe they put the lace there so it can blend better with your hair. So enough talking about the wig, because I know this is the boring part. I will put a timestamp so you guys can skip to the install part if you guys don't want to really hear too much talking about the wig and stuff like that. So you clip, I'm gonna start from the front, and I'm gonna clip it like very close to where I want it to stop, like right there. Go in and clip, well, not clip, but like position the clip where you want it, like right there. And right. And then, so for this part, I'm just gonna pick up whichever piece, like that, and then clip, and that, and then clip. Great. Let me see, actually. You know what, yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's better. Perfect. Oh no. I can already tell this looks a mess. It's okay though. Okay, so now we're gonna just move the hair. Oof. Yeah, this is a no for me already. Let me try to see if I can clip it closer maybe. Cause it's just looking too spaced out. Huh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a no. You cannot clearly, well, for me, I can't wear it like this. You can see the wig. You can see it like out there. You see that? That does not look good. That does not look good, child. This is a no. This is a no. And I'm trying to brush it out so I can just work with it. But it's giving, whew, it's giving don't even know what this is giving. Okay, from afar, it actually doesn't look that bad, like you can't tell. But then when you get close, you can see. So unless you want to wear it like this and like be really far away from somebody to the point where they won't see you, then you can wear it like this. But other than that, it's giving yeah, it's not gonna work. And then another thing I don't like about just leaving it like this, it looks like one of those, like it makes your forehead look just big. Like it makes your forehead look big. So we're gonna do it the way that I like to do it. And I'm actually thinking, because I was watching some tutorials on how people make their V-part wigs look more like natural. They be cutting the bangs, girl. They be cutting this front part real short and it be swooping. I'm gonna try that. I'm about to literally try that right now. I was wearing it another way, but I think I'm gonna try something different during the video. All right, so I unbraided my hair, and I'm just gonna clip the hair. Like I'm gonna just, wait, let me see. I'm gonna try to clip the hair really close, like right here, and then clip this right here. Okay, perfect. Let's just clip that right now. So we're just gonna do the same thing right here. I'm just gonna clip here and, well, not clip, but like set it. So I'm gonna set it right there. I'm gonna set this right there and then this right here. I find that the closer it is to like where the natural hair, there's a clip right there. All right, bet. Damn, this chair makes so much noise. All right, so now that we've got that clipped, just moving the wig, and there's combs. So I'm gonna use these combs to my advantage, and I'm just gonna swoop it under the braids just to give it more security. And then I'm gonna move the bottom and then also use the comb. And now the wig is secure. We've got our leave out. I'm gonna use this turn up the heat heat protectant. This heat protectant spray, I just recently started using it. I still don't even really know how to feel about it, but now I'm gonna do a middle part. I always do a middle part. I'm just gonna clean it up. All right, so now we are going to straighten the leave out. I'm gonna do the chase method with this because my hair is just, it's not easy to get it bone straight. So I'm going in and I'm gonna chase like this. Ooh, I can hear the sizzling noise. Ooh, yeah. Now that's bone straight. That's bone straight. We not going back in again. Ooh, look at the smoke. Oh wow, the blend is really good though. The blend is really good. Yeah, okay, I'm loving it already. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this front part. And I've already layered it, mind you, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. I'm gonna take some of my hair out the way because I don't want to cut the little bit of hair that I have. So I'm gonna take this piece because I kind of want to make a bang effect, and then I'm gonna take this piece as well. Take these two pieces, and I'm gonna like kind of like just cut it like right here, but I'm gonna go down this way. Yeah, like that. So that way this will be more of like a bang effect when I curl it. I think I'll just leave that. I want to cut more, but I don't want to risk my hair looking a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is take this piece and I'm just gonna curl it backwards like that. Ooh, some of that product has made the hair kind of like a little stiff. But I'd rather it be like that than to just not blend, because yeah. Oh no, this is supposed to go this way. Yeah, that's supposed to go this way. And this is supposed to go this way. You know, I'm supposed to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is curl this hair, and then when I'm done curling, I'll come back. So we are done. I'm about to just brush out the curls. This heat protectant really made my hair blend so much better. It doesn't look poofy. Like usually my hair, when I straighten it or curl it or whatever, it'll look poofy, but not this time. I kind of want to layer it a little bit more, but you know what? I'm not gonna go too crazy with it because we got a good thing going. You know what? Okay, this side looks good. I feel like this side should be a little bit more layered. So I'm gonna cut this chair. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna cut this a little bit because I want it to look more layered. Let me go back in, and then now let me curl it. Okay, and then let me go in here. Okay, let me see if it's gonna give me a more layered effect. I think it, okay, that's better. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna put some jam on like right here to kind of just smoothen the hair a little bit, like right here. To kind of complete the look. If you guys know a better product than jam, let me know, because jam over time it starts like getting all oily and just loosens up. Well, it definitely blends. Like, look at this. That's amazing. You see that? That's how the middle looks. You can't see like the combs or anything. Everything is blended. This is how the overall hair looks. Let me get up so I can really show you guys. This is the hair. I pulled everything to the front. Literally obsessed. And then this is the bangs. I think the bangs these little mini bangs that I added just really completed the look. I'm so mad I have not been wearing it like this whole time. And I'm mad that I didn't use that heat protectant, because now it really blends. Like, it really blends. Like, my hair really blends with this wig. Let me just give you guys a quick explanation of the wig and just like a review on how I feel about this wig. Let me just tell you guys the pros and the cons, okay? I'm gonna do 3 pros and then 3 cons about this hair. So pro number 1 is, obviously the hair looks very natural, and it's a really quick, easy, protective style, especially if you don't have time to like sit there and like do your hair, put the glue and all of that. This is literally like the easiest glueless process ever. So that is the first pro. The second pro is that the hair definitely looks full. Like, this is 150% density. And I'm gonna put the details of the wig like right here, but this is 150% density, and for 150% density, this is very full looking. Like, I'm actually shook that this is 150%. This is crazy. So yeah, that's the second pro, is the hair will look very full. The third pro that I would say is that the hair blends really well with African American textured hair. As you can see, it's very seamless. Like, this is crazy. It looks like a sew-in. It doesn't really look like a wig or even a V-part wig. It looks like a sew-in. So I definitely love how the hair, like, even though this is body wave texture, it still blends really well with African American textured hair, like coarse hair, like mine, okay? So we're gonna talk about the cons. The only con that I have about this wig, okay, I have 2 cons. So con number 1 is the bump, like right here. I just wish this would just be flatter, because you see how it's just a little bump right here, and I think it's because of the little comb that you know, to clip it and stuff. So that's the only thing. I don't like that bump. And then it has a little bit of shedding, which I don't really like either, but it's not like super excessive, but it does shed a little bit. But I've been wearing this hair for a month, and I literally just did a new style with these bangs. So clearly I'm a fan of this hair, and I really like it. I'm definitely a huge fan of Unice hair, okay? Unice has really good quality hair, so if you do want to purchase this wig, the link will be in the description box below. That is my opinion about this hair. That is the install. That is all the information that I have about the hair. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.